In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs in just a few minutes. Whether you're writing a report, an essay, or a long document, this simple step-by-step guide will get you there. Let's dive in. First, before we can create a table of contents, we need to ensure our document is properly structured using heading styles. Google Docs automatically uses these styles to build the table. Let's begin by selecting the text for our first main heading. In this example, I'm highlighting methodology. Once selected, you can adjust the basic formatting. I'm changing the font to Times New Roman and the size to 12 just to make sure the base styling is correct before we apply the official heading style. Now, with the text still selected, we need to apply the actual heading style. Navigate to the Format menu at the top of the screen. From the drop-down, hover over Paragraph Styles, then Heading 1, and finally click Apply Heading 1. You'll see the text reformat to the predefined style. This step is crucial because it tells Google Docs that this text is a top-level entry for your table of contents. You should repeat this for all main chapter titles or section headings. As you can see, I am now scrolling and applying the Heading 1 style to other sections to ensure they are also included. If you want all your headings to have custom formatting, it's simple. First, format one heading exactly how you want it to look. For instance, this one is now bold, Times New Roman, and size 12. With your cursor on the correctly styled text, return to the Format menu. Navigate again to Paragraph Styles and hover over Heading 1. This time click Update Heading 1 to match. This action updates the style definition itself, and every other piece of text using the Heading 1 style will automatically update to this new formatting. It's a great way to ensure consistency. The next step is to prepare a dedicated space for the table of contents, which usually goes at the beginning of the document. Place your cursor where you want the new page to begin. Here, I'm placing it just before the Chapter 3 heading. Now, go to the Insert menu at the top. In the drop-down menu, find and hover over Break. From the sub-menu that appears, select Page Break. This inserts a clean break and pushes all the following content onto the next page, leaving you with a fresh blank page for your table of contents. With our blank page ready and headings properly styled, we can now insert the table of contents. Ensure your cursor is on the new blank page. Go back to the Insert menu. This time, scroll down and hover over Page Elements. In the next menu, you'll see the Table of Contents option. Google Docs offers a few styles to choose from. I'm selecting the one with dotted leader lines and page numbers. Once you click it, Google Docs automatically scans your document for heading styles and generates the table. And there you have it, a fully functional table of contents with clickable links that take you directly to each section. Remember, the table of contents doesn't always update automatically when you add new headings or when content shifts page numbers. To refresh it, simply click anywhere on the table. A small toolbar will appear. Click the circular arrow icon, which is the Update Table of Contents button. This rescans your document and updates all entries and page numbers to reflect the latest changes, keeping your table of contents accurate. And there you have it. You've successfully created and updated a table of contents in Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.